Hello everybody and welcome back to another action figure review. This is a figure review, but it's also the second part of my Xmen or Xmen team project. There is a part one where I try to make a backdrop of a danger room, and this is the second video where I try to assemble my own Xmen team based on the characters from the new movies. And why not start here with the team leader, Cyclops, and this is the figure from Toys era called Cyclopstech, and it's based on the appearance of Cyclops in Apocalypse and Dark Phoenix. More precisely, this is the suit he wears at the very end of X-Men Apocalypse. But, well, before we take a closer look at the figure, let's try to find out what kind of accessories he comes with. So first up, he comes with a figure stand here, also with a training room floor, and well, it says Toys era here, and it's a sign that is supposed to be fitted with a magnet, but it really is, yeah, it's not a great solution, but nevertheless you get a figure stand. Then we have a bunch of hands, 6 in total here, a pair of open hands, a pair of fisted hands, and then 2 right hands, one like this, and then with a pointy finger, which is clearly meant to operate his glasses here. And then we get an entire second suit for the figure, which is the X-Men suit from Dark Phoenix. And well, if you're familiar with the Toys era figures, it's well known that you can't really switch the suits here, but you can of course make an entirely second figure, customize it, and then use the head sculpt maybe, I don't know, but well, or you can make other plans for it, as I for example have. But again, pretty cool that they include it, and it's not something that you need to buy a deluxe figure or anything, you will just get it included. But other than that, we really don't have anything. One main attraction with this figure is that it comes with a light up effect here, and you can either tap the figure like this, or you can clap your hands and it will turn on for a period of time, and then it will switch off again. It's actually a pretty nice feature, easy to operate, easy to access here. You just remove the back part of the figure's head here, and the battery compartment is easy to access. And even though the line here where you put the hair together is not completely invisible, you won't really notice it when you look at the figure here from the front. So very nice that Toys era included the light up effect. I like it, and it works really good. Other than that, we have the suit here. I think it's a nice classic comic book inspired suit, even though that it's not included in the movies a lot. I still think it's a easy, recognizable version of Cyclops. And also the head sculpt is decent. It's not the most difficult head sculpt when you can't really see the eyes here, but I think it has a good likeness to the actor, and it's a nice portrayal of the character. So no complaints about the details and the look of the figure. The articulation of the figure is good. You can move the head. The arms are restricted because of the shoulder pads here, but you get a double bend here, and you also get a good range of body movement, double jointed knees, and ankle rockers, so you can balance the figure into pretty wide stances if you want to. So the only real restriction here is the arms, because of the suit and the plastic shoulder pieces here. Other than that, you get a good range of movement, and you can put him into the classic Cyclops pose, where he touches his glasses and fire his energy beam. This figure really doesn't bring any weapons or fancy accessories because, well, Cyclops is a weapon in his own self. And, well, we have to accept that. It's the only new movie version of Cyclops that I know of. So I'm pretty satisfied with this figure, but for now I'm going to leave you with my conclusion and then I'll sum up this review. So basically this is the first member of my X-Men team. I chose to begin with Cyclops here and I'm not disappointed with the figure. I like the likeness, the look of the suit and especially the light-up effect. You don't really get that much else, but then again it's Cyclops, what do you expect? And it's also a reasonably priced figure. So stay tuned for the second team member coming up soon. And other than that, thanks a lot for watching, leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.